Привет, YouTube, and today we're going to talk about Kyrgyzstan 2008 10 song. But before we get into that, let's talk about 5 things about Kyrgyzstan. Number 1, their national population is 6.5 million. Number 2, their national food is bish barmak, which means 5 fingers. Nomads traditionally eat with their hands. It's basically chopped boiled meat mixed with noodles and chink, an onion sauce, popular in Central Asia. Number 3, their national animal is the snow leopard. Number 4, their national debt is 4.5 billion US dollar. And number 5, their national beauty is Elmara Buraneva. She was Miss Universe Kyrgyzstan 2019. So now let's check out the coin and enjoy.
Area 51, do you copy?
Silver Ruffin from Malaysia, and today we're going to check out Kyrgyzstan 2008 10 song. But let's check out the precious metal prices. Gold is 1774, down. Silver is 1793, also down. This coin is 31.1 grams. It's 925 silver. Its diameter is 38.60 millimeters. Its value is 10 som, and the year of production was only in 2008. On top you can see Bishkek, which is the capital. And there's a sculptural complex surrounded by government buildings, and it has a very shiny proof. On the other side you can see the coat of arms of Kyrgyzstan. The details are strong because proof coins have very strong details. So now let's check out some pictures, and please subscribe and give me a like.